question to Rav. How do we avoid a situation of violating Shomer Negiah? If someone is handing us something like a receipt or money or a holy sefer, is there, if there is no place to set it down, what should we say or do?
No, but sefer is very simple. You hold one side, she holds another side. That's it. First of all, even if they touched it, it was not intentional. Right? If it would be offend the other person, maybe it's also there is no problem. So sometimes you you have to take a change, right? From a clerk, and there is most of them are ladies. So if it's a credit card, it's simple, right? Today. Right, well, what I do, I stick into machine, or I slide into machine. There is no touch whatsoever. You understand? Okay, they give you a receipt, but the receipt is a little longer, so you can take from the bottom of the receipt. They not usually hold it in the middle. They rip receipt right from a machine, and they hold from one side, and you take from another side. There is no problem. Or sometimes when it's the stupid people, they put the bills and that not stupid. I apologize. For them it's normal, but for us it's not. And put the change on in the middle. So I would make look for some. I say, yeah, put on the counter. I'm going to take it. Put on the counter. Thank you very much. And when I would take a few seconds, look a little stupid. Look like I'm looking for something. My phone, my phone. But most of the people there is no problem. So there is possible to take from women. I'm talking about myself without touching. I never touch anybody. Maybe one time, by accident, but that's it. Trying to avoid all this. But when I see that she puts the bills in the palm and change on top, so I said please set it in the bottom. But the best case, what I'm trying, if they accept credit card, I better prefer the credit card. So there is no touching whatsoever. No handling. I mean, just a receipt on paper. It's very simple. The books and what was the third case? Books? What else?
It says a receipt or money or holy sefer.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, just like money. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we discussed all of it. Yeah. So we're trying. So yeah. Again, if there is no other way, so just say please put it in the counter. But we said that there is no room to put it in the counter. Okay. Okay, do. So you try not to touch, and you show to the person you're very careful not to touch. So usually people get the message, unless they're crazy. If you're standing somewhere, okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.